Hey, welcome back everybody to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen. Jen's off doing another project. She'll be here shortly. But wanted to continue the series on pitch perfect, as we call it. Your quick elevator pitch and going into doing a presentation for a customer or new client. So Jen made this assistant called Pitch Perfect. And what you do is it says right here, create an elevator pitch for small business, right? So go ahead and click on that and see what it tells us. It's going to say it wants to tailor the elevator pitch for a small business. Then it's saying, can you specify the business, like for example, blue collar, plumber, electrician services. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. We're going to do today we're doing computer repair actually. So this is for a computer. Oops. Computer repair shop. Okay. So struggling with slow malfunctioning computer, our computer repair shop provides swift, expert solutions to get back on track with minimal downtime. It's pretty mouthy. So let's go ahead and do shorter. So if you see there, you click on A. These are the prompts. You click on A, hit enter, and it gives us a shorter prompt, right? So get your computer fixed fast and efficiently at our repair shop. No fuss, just results. You know what? I want to do a variation of 3. So let's do D, which does a 3 catchy variations. There you go, spitting them out. So computer woes, our expert. There we go. Let's see, tech trouble, swing on by shop. These are all pretty good. So I'm gonna pick one of these. So then here we're just gonna say E. Okay, and it's gonna say thank you, pitch perfect bot. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into our favorite app to do presentations, but we're going to use this right here. Say goodbye to computer fixes. Okay, I'm going to use that guy there. Let's go ahead and jump into Gamma. So Gamma is a AI assisted tool that we use for all our presentations and showing people how to do presentations as well. So we're going to go ahead and jump right on in. This is the most popular one that you want to use. Okay, you have 8 cards. Usually we just do 8 cards. All right, so in here we're going to go ahead and put down let's see, presentation. For a computer repair shop. Okay. And then boom, it generates the outlines for you already. See? Look at that, how quick that was. Boom, boom, boom. If you want to add a card, you can add a card as well. So in here, introduction to our computer repair shop, you want to put the Control V, and you want to put in the elevator pitch that you just decided to pick out. So let's go ahead and always click on medium, and then images with AI, we're going to go ahead and click on web search. But when you do web search, you want to make sure that you click down here, free to use commercially, and then let's roll through there. Alright, let's say continue and go that way. Okay, and then here you get to pick a template. Okay, there's several templates you can pick from: dark templates, light templates, professional, colorful. Since this is a computer repair shop, let's go ahead and do professional. Let's grab let's do this guy here. Okay, and then hit generate. You're ready to go. This is going to go ahead and start flowing through and start creating your slide deck for a presentation regarding your computer company. So let's jump up here really quick. So introduction to our computer repair shop. So here it is, the slogan. And what you do is you want to change this here. So here it's going to be coffee sometimes tea. All right, cool. All right. So it looks like it didn't generate anything here. So let's make sure. Let's go here to free to commercial use, and it's introduction to the computer repair. So that picture looks pretty cool. Looks like they're repairing a computer, right? So it's pretty tight. Now, if you want to mess around with the picture, you click this here where it changes the focal point, and you can move it left to right. Okay. So I think right there in the middle, that was pretty good. Right. So then you jump into our services. So if you want to leave like that, you can. If not, you can also put a background picture to this. Okay. You can change the flow if you want. Okay. I kind of like doing that, so we can throw a picture in there. Hit edit. Accent images. Okay. You want to web search. Free to use commercially. And then let's see. List of services. Okay. All right. Load some more. Actually, this is pretty cool. Let's use this right here. Doesn't look too bad. Going over all the services, so we're good here. All right, so I'm just going to kind of go through here really quick to show what it came out to look like, right? Customer testimonials, pricing packages, and then contact information, right? So what you do here is you want to throw a picture in here. Let's grab that. Let's see, what else do we got in here? Actually, let's grab, yeah, that's fine. Let me just in case, let's go to free to use. What's this here? Let's grab that. That's pretty cool. It's an innards of a laptop. Let's grab here and let's mess with the focal point. There you go. Boom. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video really quick while I set everything else up. I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. So I just want to go ahead and click now present so you guys can see what the presentation looks like. So move my little head there in the middle. So I mean, look at this. Introduction to our computer repair shop. Say goodbye to computer glitches. Our shop offers fast fixes and expert services. So then you just scroll on through, and I mean, look how quick that is. Done. And that was less than 10 minutes, you guys. Common computer issues that we can fix, and you could, I mean, you can edit this, you can move this around. Everything's done in here. So then page down, go to the next one. Okay, done, because you're done editing. Our team of expert technicians kind of goes through that. Customer testimonials, right? And then there's one more page here. So there's your pricing packages, contact information, and conclusion. So again, nice, quick, smooth transaction, smooth presentation. So, you know, you can use this to gain customers. You can use this to, if you're talking to a group of people, throw this up on a screen and, you know, talk about your computer repair shop. So there you have it. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do a series of these again. People have been asking us a lot to do these for them. So we're going to go ahead and just get these out for you guys, and hopefully you enjoy. Please click on that link below to join our school. We're going to be doing these in depth, free. It's our community that we're going to be starting. You can join our community and learn deeper into AI and the tools that we use, like ChatGPT 4, Gamma, and other tools that we use as well. Again, thank you for joining tonight. And thank you for hanging out with Coffee Sometimes Tea. Talk to you later.